Want to empower your kidneys? Look no further. Hi everybody, welcome back to my beauty juice series. We are now into juice number 4. Our kidneys filter our blood every minute by removing waste and extra water to make urine. Replenish your kidneys with this detox juice. These are the things that you need to prepare.
You can still walk away. What if I told you this love won't be easy?
Prepare 1 cucumber. You don't need to slice the skin off. Cucumbers are low in calories but high in many important vitamins and minerals. It contains carbs, protein, fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, and manganese. It has a 92% water content and contains antioxidants. Put the diced cucumbers into the juicer or blender. Add the 1/4 cup of water.
What if I showed you?
An important ingredient to add is a 1/4 cup of pure, unsweetened cranberry juice. Cranberries contain compounds that can stop harmful bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract wall and avoid a urinary tract infection or UTI. It is high in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidant polyphenols. Splash in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It helps rid the body of toxins and excess minerals that can lead to kidney stones. If you already have kidney stones, the citric acid in ACV could help break down and dissolve kidney stones and also reduce pain and inflammation from it. I am adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric, another significant ingredient. The taste of turmeric is strong, so if you're not sure whether you will like this or not, try half a tablespoon first. But 1 tablespoon is recommended. Why? Curcumin, an active ingredient in turmeric, has significant anti-inflammatory properties. If anyone has chronic kidney disease, it can tackle any inflammatory molecules and relieve the pain.
Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na.
Perfecto. Kidney Flush Out by Zevaulia.
Really hard. We're gonna have to work at this every day, but I want to do that because I want you. I want all of you.
Many people disregard the importance of kidney health. Don't be one of them. This juice serves 1. You can dilute it with a bit of water and can serve 2. But for the most benefits, it is best to drink this all for 1 person.
Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na.